Every day, millions of Americans reach for that iconic orange bottle to keep their family's clothes clean. But before Tide touches a single load of laundry, it begins here, at today's largest Mediterranean network. Procter & Gamble's story began in 1837, when a candle maker and a soap maker joined forces in Cincinnati. Nearly a century later, in 1946, they launched Tide. Tide production requires hundreds of thousands of pounds of raw materials daily, surfactants that lift stains, enzymes that break down facility. Quality starts before production begins. The St. Louis plant has operated since 1928. Today, it produces makes and barculates, making a person to take pride in power-warranted detergent. Inside the plant, surfactants are precisely measured and blended. These molecules have a unique structure. One end loves water, the other loves oil. They surround dirt particles, lift them from fabric, and suspend them in water until rinsed away. Builders like sodium carbonate and sodium silicate soften hard water by binding with calcium and magnesium ions. Soft water means surfactant more effectively. P&G's patented processes control these additions with precision measured in grams per ton. Modern Tide contains sophisticated enzymes. Protease breaks down protein stains like grass and blood. Amylase stops starch smooths cotton fibers. These biological catalysts work like tiny scissors, cutting stain molecules into pieces that wash away. Optical brighteners are the secret to that whiter-than-white effect. These compounds absorb UV light and re-emit it as visible blue light. Your clothes don't just get clean, they look cleaner. That fresh, clean scent you associate with Tide isn't an accident. It's engineered aroma chemicals combined to create the signature fragrance, from citrus top notes to floral middle notes and woody base notes that linger on clothes. In high-shear mixers, all ingredients combine under carefully controlled conditions. Temperature, pH, and mixing speed are monitored constantly. It's chemistry, cooking, and engineering combined. Throughout production, quality control never stops. Every batch undergoes over 100 separate checks: viscosity, pH, color, fragrance, and intensity. If any parameter falls outside specifications. In Pineville, Louisiana, P&G invested $110 million to expand Tide Pods production. This facility specializes in the multi-chamber for millions more units, meeting America's appetite for convenience. Tide Pods begin with polyvinyl alcohol on the shelf, yet dissolves completely in water. The film is manufactured to exact thickness specifications, thin enough to dissolve quickly but strong enough to hold concentrated detergent without leaking. On specialized forming machines, the film is heated and vacuum molded into 3 separate chambers, one for stain bindings and one for brighteners, warnings, and fabric care. Each chamber keeps incompatible ingredients separate until they hit the wash water. With chambers formed, precision nozzles deposit exact amounts of 3 different formulas into each compartment. The colored liquids you see, blue for cleaning, red for stain fighters, white for brighteners, are measured to within fractions of a milliliter, hundreds of pods per minute. A top layer of film seals each pod with heat and pressure, creating watertight compartments. Rotary dies cut individual upon a sheet. The result? Perfect little packets containing everything needed for a load of laundry, measured and sealed without human hands touching them. Every single Tide Pod passes through multiple inspection systems. Cameras check seal integrity and appearance. X-rays verify fill levels and detect any contamination. Perfect pods are automatically rejected. You'll never see them in stores. The Alexandria, Louisiana plant spans over 1 million square feet and operates around the clock 7 days a week. More than 500 employees work in shifts to produce detergents to keep up with American demand. For powder detergents, a liquid slurry containing all ingredients is pumped to the top of spray drying towers, some over 10 stories tall, creating crystal fall through hot air. Water evaporates instantly, leaving perfect hollow granules. Temperatures inside the tower exceed 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The process, perfected over decades, produces powder with consistent particle size, no clumping, no dust, perfect scooping. Fresh from the tower, powder passes through fluid bed coolers, vibrating screens with cool air flowing through. This final conditioning ensures the powder is ready for packaging and won't clump on store shelves. A single liquid detergent production line can fill between 600 and 800 bottles per minute. That's over 1 million bottles daily from just one line. At the Lima plant, multiple lines operate simultaneously. Many facilities manufacture bottles on site. Small preform. This just-in-time manufacturing eliminates shipping empty bottles and reduces the carbon footprint. The iconic orange bottle starts as tiny plastic pellets. Labels are applied with precision. The familiar Tide logo, usage instructions, and ingredient lists. Date codes and batch numbers are printed on each bottle, ensuring complete traceability from your laundry room back to this production line. Caps are applied and torqued to exact specifications, tight enough to prevent leaks during shipping, but not so tight you can't open them. Sensors verify every cap. Any that fail are automatically rejected. In West Virginia, P&G invested $500 million in the Tabler Station facility. This strategic gain reduces transportation costs and delivery times for millions of consumers along the eastern seaboard. Modern Tide facilities employ advanced automation and product without human drivers. Auto monitoring software instantly detects any deviation in production parameters. It's manufacturing transformed by technology. Tide pods are counted and dropped into resealable bags. The bags are sealed, boxed, and palletized automatically. The precision required is incredible. Hundreds of pods per minute, each counted exactly. Robotic arms stack cases onto pallets with precision no human could match. Each pallet is perfectly balanced, wrapped in plastic, and labeled for shipping, handling millions of cases annually. The Greensboro, North Carolina facility produces Tide alongside other P&G laundry products. This diversified approach maximizes operation efficiency while multiple brands the same American quality standards. In regional warehouses, millions of bottles and boxes wait for shipment. Advanced inventory management systems track every case, ensuring retailers' reflected presence in 98% of American homes. From these warehouses, trucks depart for distribution centers serving America's largest retailers: Walmart, Kroger, Target, and thousands of independent stores. Tide is always there. Across American highways, these trucks travel day and night. From Ohio to California, Louisiana to Washington, it's a logistics very scale. Finally, Tide reaches your local store. The variety is staggering. Original for traditionalists, pods for convenience, hygienic clean for health-conscious families, French and skin. Each formulation serves a different need, each made in America.
All right, let's add the Tide.
Yay! Clean clothes!
That's right. Just like Grandma taught me.
Tide had passed down from grandmothers to mothers to daughters.
What's next for Tide? In P&G's Cincinnati R&D lab, scientists constantly develop new studies to keep Tide ahead. The brand that revolutionized laundry in 1946 continues innovating today. In 2024, Tide introduced Evo. Each tile is thousands of tiny fibers with layers of cleaning power. No water, no fillers, just pure power in FSC-certified paper. Tide Evo represents a completely new manufacturing paradigm. Layers of concentrated cleaning ingredients are built up on microscopic fibers, creating tiles that activate instantly in water. It's the most significant laundry innovation since the POD. P&G has committed to ambitious sustainability goals. 100% refillable packaging and quad constant type 30. But one pilot plant alone has reduced water consumption by 30% through recycling technology. The Tide Eco Box uses 60% less plastic than traditional bottles with a concentrated formula. This means less packaging, less transportation fuel, and a smaller environmental footprint, all without compromising cleaning power. Behind every bottle are American workers. The Lana alone employs doctorate engineers and quality specialists.
Many have worked here for decades, taking pride in making the product Americans trust most.
We're on it. Should be back up in 5.
I'm seeing a pressure drop here on the diagnostics.
Got it. Tightening the valve now.
Okay, that's stable. Try restarting.
Restarting now. Line's back up. Quality control technicians perform over 100 checks on every batch, before, during, and after production. They're the guardians of Tide's reputation, ensuring that every bottle that leaves the factory meets the standards consumers expect. While most Tide sold in America is made in America, P&G's Brockville, Ontario plant serves the Canadian market, producing millions of Canadian of the integrated North American supply chain and consistent availability across the continent. In Europe, where front-loading machines dominate, the same cleaning technology is sold as Ariel. The Amiens, France facility produces detergents formulated for European water conditions and washing habits. Tide commands over 40% of the U.S. liquid detergent market, more than its next 3 competitors combined. Annual global sales exceed $7 billion, with one of P&G's most valuable brands. Tide's success isn't just about manufacturing excellence, it's about connecting with generations of Americans. From 1940s print ads to today's digital campaigns, Tide has been true for 75 years. Demand keeps growing, so facilities keep expanding. The $110 million Pineville expansion, $500 million Tabler Station investment, P&G continues betting on American Bedrovide, more Tide for I can't get enough. As the sun sets over Tide factories across America, millions of bottles made, tested, and shipped. Thousands of workers heading home. Tomorrow, it starts again. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on All Factory Word, where American manufacturing comes to life. Now go throw in a load. Tide's got this.